Hi, circumstances do not matter, only this matters. What is this thing? This is the state of being. So circumstances do not matter, only state of being matters. I'll explain both of them. What is circumstances event? What is state of being in this video? At the end of the video, I'll also give you a free copy of my ebook, my seminar, and my manifesting course as well. You can watch till the end this year. Let's jump in, friends. Now, circumstances do not matter. What is circumstances here? Circumstances are what you see outside, what happens around you, such as events, activities, things show up in your life. Those are all circumstances. You got a job, or you didn't get a job, or you have a problem, or you're looking for money, or some issues here, somebody asked this. All these are things happening around you, what we call circumstances, just kind of what life unfolds. Those are circumstances. Now, that does not matter as much as what matters is your state of being. It means that the state of being is how you react to it, what you are inside, your thoughts. State of being is what you are. It includes basically these 5 things: your thoughts, your words, your actions, your feelings, emotions, and your belief system. And that's what makes your state of being. And state of being, what really matters. The reason is this, Bashar, I'm going to explain to you what Bashar says, and I'll play a little video as well. And people think circumstances define our state of being. Is just the opposite. Our state of being really defines the circumstances. Let's listen to the small clip of Bashar, and from there I'll explain further as well.
Circumstances do not determine state of being. State of being determines circumstances. Now you can use that. However, we would also suggest something even simpler and something even stronger. And that is simply, and the mantra is this: circumstances don't matter. Only state of being matters. And again, listen to the way that this synchronistically translates in your English language. Circumstances don't matter. They do not create materialization. Only state of being matters. Only state of being materializes experience. So, the mantra is, anytime you find yourself doubting, stuck, fearful, because of what you believe the situation is, what you believe the circumstances are, you can, if you wish, use this little reminder. Circumstances don't matter. Only state of being matters. And then choose the state of being you prefer. And then redefine the circumstances from that state of being, so that you can erase the echo and allow the true reflection to then take form from your state of being.
So let's further now. Circumstances are what's happening around you, but we think that is the cause. That's the starting point. In reality, that's the opposite. Then today, we all look at the circumstances, we change our state based on circumstances. Something bad happens, something we don't like, suddenly we are upset, we are low vibration, we enter a state of fear and doubt and problem. So in a way, we are doing the opposite. We look at the circumstances, we change our state of being, go with circumstances, and we offer a vibration matching the circumstances. But in reality, circumstances actually is not the cause, it's the effect. But we treat circumstances as the cause, what I am is the effect. But if you flip it, the real actual truth is that our state of being is the cause, circumstances is the effect. Only thing is a time lag. It doesn't happen immediately. So if you assume a time lag between it, so what you are, the circumstances you saw today in the world is your yesterday's or last week's or last month's state of being. Today, what your state of being is going to reflect in your new circumstances tomorrow or the day after or the month or whatever that time is going to be in. So if you really look at the truth is that the cause is your state of being, your thoughts, your words, your belief, your feelings, and your fundamentally all you are. And if you get that right, you will influence, you will create the circumstances that match it. In a way, I mean, the cause is your state of being, the effect is the circumstances. That's what we need to get to. And Bashar also mentioned one more interesting thing, a double meaning entree to this particular thing is that circumstances do not matter. Matter meaning that it doesn't materialize. The circumstances don't materialize. Your state of being is the one that creates materialization, the world, physical world. The vibration causes the physical reality to really happen there. So recapping, don't offer vibration to what is, the circumstances you're looking at. Be in a state what you want to be, what your desired position to be, not what is right now. What is right now is circumstances. Don't let that too much influence you. Then that means that you're simply matching it, you're staying there, you're not changing your state. Then you're going to continue to universe will reflect back the same state over and over again, or you'll be in a worse problem state. So use the state of being you are and to move into your desired state and stay there persistently. Stay what you are and don't be influenced by circumstances. It's just hard to do. It's not easy to do because you look at the world and it causes some problems. How do you not react to it? I have other videos to explain. This is not the video to explain how not to react to the world, how not to react to the circumstances, and stay very persistent and very faithful to your state of being of what you are, what you want to be, what you desire to see in the world. That's the state of being you gotta be in. And if you master that, you mastered your life. You're going to be creator of your life, and you will create the life. You will manifest the way you want in your life as well. And as a summary of it, I have additionally how to create more of what you want and how to ignore and how to get the circumstances as an effect, not the cause, how to really react better in other videos as well. Join me. And I'm 𝐉𝐨𝐲. I'm part of the Manifesting the Best channel here. And I am offering a free ebook, my own free ebook on manifesting, and a free seminar and a free course if you want to join this year, 2025. And if you like this video, please subscribe, like, and share. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for joining me. If you like the video, please subscribe, like, and share this. Thank you.